Well, good morning. So the question is, how do we teach music theory and have fun doing it? Well, give me a little wave. You may have some ideas of your own. Well, I'm going to teach you how to get your students interested in learning music theory and avoid the eye rolling, even when you mention the word theory. Has that ever happened to you? And I'm going to show you the exact must-have step-by-step strategies that I use to teach music theory concepts more effectively. I'm Glory St. Germain from Ultimate Music Theory, and I've taught thousands of students and teachers all about music theory. And I'm about to show you exactly how you can turn that eye rolling into guaranteed smiles. You ready for this? In this series, I'll reveal the top 15 reasons why you learn music theory faster through play. Isn't that exciting? And I'll show you the exact must-have step-by-step strategies that I use to teach music theory concepts more effectively in an engaging, fun, and memorable way. So here's why you learn music theory faster through play. So you ready? Reason number one is learning modalities. Play engages cognitive development of children through visual, auditory, and kinesthetic sensory modalities. Don't underestimate the value of play. Let's open the Ultimate Music Theory Party Pack and reveal part of what's inside. Are you ready for this? I wonder what it could be. It's always fun opening something, isn't it? Wow. Well, today you're going to meet Sola and Tito. So this is Sola, this is Tito. Sola loves to sing and dance, and she is expressive and creative, and she loves to tell stories through music. She loves to teach and compose and perform, and I would say I'm definitely a Sola. Now, Tito, he loves to count and march, and he's rhythmic and consistent, and he loves the rules of music theory, and he loves to analyze and share tips and conduct. Now, Sheila McKibben-Uren, Ultimate Music Theory co-author and UMT certification course examiner, is definitely a Tito. How about you? Are you a Sola or are you a Tito? Which one do you think you are more like? Well, Sola and Tito are teaching tools that guide you through mastering music theory. And music theory is like the manual of how music works. It's the universal language, and that is essential in developing musicianship skills. Now, in the next session, Sola and Tito will open the party pack, as you can see, and you will learn how to learn music theory faster through play with reason number two, as you discover 6 ways to identify note names playing balloon matchup. So inside the party pack, we're going to be discovering all the different ways that we can learn music theory through play. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming Ultimate Music Theory videos. And if you're interested in diving deeper into this tip and a whole lot more, make sure that makes your learning music theory a lot of fun for your students. You can check out the Ultimate Music Theory Party Pack because it does just that. And I'll enter all the details below. You can just click on the details below. And I will see you in the next video. And we're going to explore all of the Ultimate Music Theory Party Pack and share teaching tips on how you can not only teach music theory more effectively, but how you can engage in helping students learn faster through play. And there's a whole lot of things I'll be sharing with you. I'll see you in the next one. Teach with passion.